Americans are very powerful, liberated, and independent people. They were trained from childhood to stand on their own foot, not needing any help from anyone. Unfortunately, some become too lonely, not having anyone to talk to. And that's where you come in. Are you curious how? Well, you already know it in the title. Earn money chatting with Americans online. In this video, we'll reveal how you can start earning without needing to show pictures, videos, or even a voice. We'll answer every question that you have, discuss the payments, and explain why this join is perfect for introverts. Let's get on it. What is it? All you need is a computer and internet connection, and you will earn a solid income weekly. Yes, weekly. From the comfort of your own home, just by chatting online. Sounds too good to be true? I've got the lowdown on a platform where you can make this a reality. You've got bills piling up, and your current job isn't just cutting it. You need something flexible, something that fits into your busy schedule, and hey, that pays well too. That's where this opportunity comes in. No more long commutes or office politics. Just you, your computer, and the chance to earn some serious cash by doing what? Chatting online. So what's the deal with this platform? Well, it's all about becoming a chat operator, or as I like to call it, a chat agent. Your job is to engage in conversations with clients from around the globe. You'll be the mysterious figure behind the screen, chatting away with people from all walks of life. Whether they want to discuss their favorite sports team, discuss the latest business trends, or even debate politics, you're there to chat it out. And here's the best part. If a topic makes you uncomfortable, no sweat. You've got the power to opt out, gracefully exiting the conversation without any pressure. It's all about flexibility and control. Requirements. Firstly, being fluent in English is non-negotiable. You'll be communicating solely through text, so flawless written English is a must. Also, you need to be at least 18 years old with a valid ID to prove it. Prepare your primary identification document, whether it's a national ID, passport, voter's ID, or driver's license. Additionally, you'll need to agree to the privacy statement and contact terms, ensuring that your conversations remain confidential. You can review these documents on their website before applying. Furthermore, ensure you have the necessary equipment, a reliable device, and internet connection. A laptop or computer is preferred, along with a strong internet connection to avoid any interruptions. Plus, there's a minimum message quota per week to keep you active. Aim to exceed this quota to maintain your account's active status. Falling short might result in deactivation, so stay on top of it. And remember, this opportunity is open to individuals worldwide, so location is no barrier. Now, let's talk about the perks and advantages awaiting you in this role. Firstly, bonuses are up for grabs. They offer generous bonuses and incentives, rewarding exceptional performance. Exceed your quota, refer a friend, work more hours, or engage during peak times to get these rewards. Next, flexibility is key. You have the freedom to choose when and where you work, fitting your schedule around your life. But perhaps the most enticing aspect is weekly payments. They pay in euros via secure online platforms like BitSafe, Stripe, or PayPal. Plus, you're an independent contractor responsible for your taxes. They won't deduct anything from your earnings, giving you full control over your finances. This opportunity offers a blend of flexibility, financial rewards, and the chance to connect with people worldwide, all from the comfort of your own home. Just ensure you meet the requirements, have the necessary skills and equipment, and reap the rewards. As a chat operator, you're essentially an independent contractor, meaning your salary comes to you directly without any deductions. Your earnings are based on the number of messages you respond to. But here's the catch. Not all messages are valued equally. The rate depends on various factors such as time of the day, whether it's a holiday, or even if it's a busy day for clients. For instance, working the graveyard shift or on holidays can earn you higher rates compared to regular shifts. On average, working 4 to 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, you can expect to earn between $100 to $300 per week according to the platform's website. However, keep in mind that these figures are based on top-performing agents. If you're just starting out, your earnings might be lower until you gain expertise and speed. Let's break it down further with an example. In week 1, if you're averaging 25 to 35 messages per hour and working around 20 hours in total, you could earn around $150 per week. Week 2 sees a potential increase to $250 per week if you're able to handle 35 to 45 messages per hour and work 20 to 30 hours weekly. By week 4, with more experience under your belt, aiming for 45 to 60 messages per hour and working 20 to 40 hours, you could potentially earn around $350 per week. Remember, these numbers aren't set in stone. They're averages and estimates to give you an idea of what you could earn on this platform. And the platform we're talking about here is remotely for you. If you're looking for a flexible way to earn money from the comfort of your home, becoming a chat operator could be a viable option. With dedication and time management, you can turn this opportunity into a steady stream of income. income. Application process. You'll need just a few basic skills and a reliable internet connection to get started. Imagine making money from the comfort of your home, setting your own hours, and having a steady stream of income. It's not just a dream. It's entirely possible and easier than you might think. Here's how you can make this happen. The process is straightforward with only 3 simple steps. First, you'll need to fill out a basic form on their website with your name and email. This is essential for them to contact you and move you forward in the process. It's quick and easy, taking only a couple of minutes to complete. Next, be prepared for a quick verification step. You'll receive an email asking you to verify your age. Make sure you have a valid ID to prove you're 18 or older. This step ensures all applicants meet their requirements and can legally participate. Don't worry, it's a standard procedure to keep everything above board. The final step is an online training session. This isn't just any training. It's designed to get you speed up quickly. You'll learn about the system you'll be using, receive tips on effective communication, typing efficiently, and engaging with clients. The training covers everything from the basic to advanced techniques, ensuring you feel confident and prepared. Once you complete these 3 steps, filling out the form, verifying your age, and finishing the training, you'll be ready to start. You can then begin earning weekly, all from the comfort of your home. The flexibility and potential for steady income make this an opportunity worth considering. Earning money by chatting with Americans online is a flexible and rewarding opportunity, perfect for those who value independence and a steady income. With just a computer, internet connection, and fluent English skills, you can start making money from home. The application process is simple, and the platform offers weekly payments with the potential for bonuses. Don't miss out on this chance to combine financial gain with the freedom to work on your own terms. All of these are useless if you want to create a startup business. If you have ideas on which business is likely to fail, or if you want to earn money using your favorite social media apps, you might want to check out some of our videos. Until next time, bye-bye!